Alright, guys. Oh, time and time again, we make these videos. But I love them. And I'm sure you guys will too! So, what do you guys think we're doing today? I don't know. Why are you just playing Smash Brawl for no reason, Roy? And his friends. Well, Roy and his friends have always said time and time again, just wait and you'll see what the video's about. And today we're going to be crashing again? Didn't we just do that almost a year ago? Well, my friends are going to be doing it again. So let's get started. Alright. This should be titled The Sound of Death and Blue Screen Tutorial. Why does it always have to make loud noises when I'm trying to focus? Alright. Rules. Go to item switch. Okay, make it like that. Pause the video or slow it down to understand what I mean. So, everybody, King Dedede and the Ice Climbers. Those are the only characters that you need. Don't use any other characters. It won't work as well, or it's going to take a long time to work. Just saying. Yes. Literally, many times in a row when I've done that, I have not got a good result. So, this video could be cut. So, and if it's not, I'll be impressed. Okay. Because I could mess up a few times. So I'll decide on making bloopers if I want to, you know, in the next stream or something. Alright, let's go. Get out of the way. Move. Move. Thank you. Okay. Wing. So I'm just going to just mute the TV before it goes up. Alright, ready? Yes! Okay, I cut the video after 5 minutes of jibber jabberish, which I'll actually include in the next compilation video, by the way. It crashed. So, it might be loud. The Wii U is louder on Wii mode, like the audio. I think Nintendo did that just to, I don't know. I think it's just so that players could hear the game quality better. Like on the Wii, it's pretty quiet. Watch how loud it is. Wow! Hey, what's going on? What's up, dude? This is never this quiet. Hey, what's going on, dude? Wow, that's actually really hilarious. That is actually not loud. Wow, normally it would be like a stadium. But I don't know. The house I went to in like Western New York, you know, my family's up there and stuff. You know, their TV, it was like a stadium on 5, like 4 or 5. It was like a stadium. But you know, enough of that. I'll explain to you guys in the comments about the, you know, like how it depends on the type of crash for the, you know, audio. So. Yeah, that's really about it for the Sound of Death. Now I'm gonna do it again, and then we're gonna do it actually, how about yeah. All right, so let's do it on the computer. By the way, some of the videos cut out, so it's not gonna be as long for you guys. Don't worry, you won't have to suffer. The Wii U gamepad sounds the same too. Now it sounds loud with both of them on. But yeah, the Wii U gamepad is a lot louder. And that's without the TV. You're a school fire alarm during a fire drill. Alright. See you on the other Wii. Maybe it's going to be the reverse today. We'll see. Maybe it's called Uno Day. It's called upscaling. It looks horrible. Okay, shut up now. You look horrible. What? Alright, let's go. Same thing as before. You know, I don't have a third console. Oh, but you have a second Wii U, Roy? Yeah, wish I did. Ah, got a gaming PC instead. You're gonna blue screen that? Duh. How often do you blue screen it? I don't know. Shut up! Shoot! Why can't you be a different color? Shut up, Alright, ready? I bet you it's gonna be uno. Uno, dos, tres. Alright. Oh, this is too loud for me. Number 2. Victim number... this is going to be even quieter. Why do I always get cold goosebumps from this type of stuff? Like, is it just me? Here. Ready? Well, it's the same thing. That's actually really hilarious. Sorry I have to mute it, guys. I'm just not... When it's like first 5 seconds, I can't. That's actually really hilarious. It's the exact same tone. Now, you guys are wondering, of course it is, Roy. No, but it depends on the crash. Like, it depends on the type of game you're playing, and it depends on how much noise there is. You see, I think every time the reason why it's not as loud is because it crashes at the end of the boom. You see that explosion right there? It's about to end, and it gets quiet. That's why it's like that. But, you see, it's a little louder, though, because I think it's a little bit before. So there you guys go. Now, let's get on to the computer. Alright, guys, let's go to my computer. Alright, ready? That's fine. You know, you don't... I think we gotta turn this up. Hey! Woo! Oh yeah! Here's the 3 crashing amigos. Woo! Oh yeah, boy! Oh my god! Look at that! Even my video's there. That's hilarious. That is actually really hilarious. Wow, that is actually hilarious. That was actually really funny. All right. So that's that one. That's the Alienware. Now we're gonna watch that reboot. So let's go to the Mr. Wii. Oh shoot! Sorry that the AEAF lock is on. Hope it doesn't look weird here. Let me fix this. All right, that's gonna boot up. So let's go on to the Wii. Now, all you have to do is just do this. Yeah, sorry I can't do the Mario Brothers Wii crash. You just gotta hold the power button down until it turns off. Now for the Wii U. It's not over yet. Oh. Okay, that's another video cut. Yep, same. Oh, actually, I lied to you. Haha. Okay, I'm not gonna do that on purpose. All right. Gotta unplug it now. Unplug the Wii U adapter. It's that gray cord. You can't see it because it's in the dark. But just unplug that grayish cord and you should be good. Oops. Alright, ready? And then it should just do this. The connection with the Wii U console is unstable. Please check that the Wii U gamepad and Wii U console are not too far apart. Same thing, but except it just has a different picture. So yeah, guys, that's going to be about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you all liked it a lot. It's really weird why my computer shows the video that I was playing, and it actually doesn't, like, it just doesn't show just a blank full blue screen. So, I don't know. It's weird. But anyways, oh, I think I know on how to fix that. But yeah, anyways, we'll see you all guys, hopefully, in the next video. And the next one's probably going to be with other devices that I have. So, not with the Max or nothing, but maybe with the DS, an iPhone. We'll figure it out. We could do a respring bug. But anyways, see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, guys, and peace out. Woo! So yeah, guys, if you guys ever want me to make a tutorial video on how to not have the timer on the blue screen, let me know. And we'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.